our business is unique from many others, so it takes a while to learn it, and having a long-term relationship with a company like Echidna just benefits our project because we don't need to spend a lot of time or waste a lot of time telling the vendor, what our business is. Echidna has learned it, they know it, and they're able to quickly work on it.
When they came to launch our website, they didn't just want to know what our online channel looked like. They wanted to learn all parts and aspects of the business, which is important because it all plays into, the website affects everything.
You got to know the business before you start devising what the solutions are. And over again, that's the kind of feedback that we get when our customers talk about us, when they're asked for testimonials. Oftentimes they refer to us being sort of an extension to their team. And that's because we really understand what their business is trying to achieve, not just become order takers for, development tasks that need to be done. So that's I think really what inspires me the most, is when I hear that we're a part of that team, we understand their business, and we guide them in such a way that they feel like they're going down the right path.